Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Today on Facebook, somebody asked me a question, and a friend of mine's already drawn the file out for him, but that didn't really help him. Didn't help him to figure out how to do it. But he wanted to make a grid that is 20 by 12. So just take two lines, holding down your control button, and make them parallel, perpendicular, and then grab that line and put it right there, and if you have snap to, it should snap to right there. Now there's three ways to do this. The old-fashioned way, or the way I do things, is change your nudge distance to 1 inch. He wanted 1 inch grid. Control D and make a duplicate and just make it all the way across, and then do the same thing on the next line. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it, let's see, make sure I just have one line there, would be to go to Edit and Step and Repeat and make your spacing 1 inch to the right and 20, so horizontally, and apply 20 steps, and bam. Then grab this one, put no offset here, and go down here and put spacing between objects and have it go down, and we need 12, and hit apply. It's that easy. Now there's one more way to do that, and it's kind of a neat little trick. It'd be to Control D and make a duplicate of that line and put it on your line. Let's X out of that, and let's go to Effects and Blend. Now hold down your Shift key and select the other one, so we've got these two selected. And we're going to make, really you only need 18 copies, I believe, and hit apply. It was that easy. One more, Control D. You could actually kind of make it fun, move this to 12 inches. Move that line down 12 inches. Hold down your Shift key and select that line and blend, and now we need 12, so we only need 10 because we've already got 2, and hit apply. So that's 3 ways to do a 1 inch grid, or any number of grids. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.